Under the same roof, one brother became the example, while the other became the mistake everyone expected.
Alex, you are going to be late for school again.
Relax, I'm just looking for my other sneaker.
Has anyone seen a blue notebook? You have 12 notebooks. One of them has math in it. That narrows it down to probably none. Don't just stand there. Help me look. I am helping. I'm showing you what ready looks like. Wow, inspirational. You're welcome.
Where is my math notebook? Come on.
Maybe it ran away.
Not helping.
Neither is the floor, apparently.
I swear I put it on my desk.
Your desk is basically a weather event.
Maybe in the place where math notebooks go?
Very helpful.
I try.
No, you don't.
You told me to stop touching your stuff.
Because you organize it wrong.
There is a wrong way?
Boys, breakfast.
Coming.
Wait, I need 1 minute.
Alex, your brother has been ready for 10 minutes.
Good for him. Found it.
Finally.
It was under my clothes. A shocking location.
You know, being ready is not a special talent. Do you have a test today?
History. I studied last night.
That's why I never have to worry about Ryan. I just wish Alex could be a little more like his brother. Can you remind Alex to bring his math notebook?
Yeah.
I can remember my own notebook.
Then remember it. Morning, Ryan.
Hey, Ryan.
Morning.
Ryan, did you finish the group summary?
Yeah,
Can you bring it to lunch?
I'll bring it to lunch.
Great, you saved us. It's just a summary. Still, everyone trusts your work. Yeah, I know. See you at lunch. Ryan, good. Can you help collect everyone's assignments?
Yes, sir.
I knew I could ask you.
Of course.
Just bring them in before the bell.
Careful, there are a lot today.
I've got them.
That's why I asked you.
Right.
Can you still explain the history part?
And don't forget the summary.
I remember.
Are you okay carrying all that?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Thanks, Ryan.
No problem. Just get through the morning.
Alex Miller.
Yes?
Homework.
I did it! I just need to find... It's here. I know it's here. You always need to find something. I did it! I actually did it!
Alex, this cannot happen every morning.
I'm looking.
You should not have to look this hard.
Here we go again. Here, I found it. I told you I did it.
Next time, try turning it in before the lecture starts.
Okay.
And keep your materials organized.
Okay. Let us turn to page 40. At least he found it, this time. Hey, if this is about class, skip it. It kind of is.
Ms. Carter emailed Mom again.
She emails Mom when I breathe wrong.
Alex.
What? It's true.
Keep your voice down.
Why? Embarrassed? You keep making things harder for yourself. You mean harder for you? What is that supposed to mean? You know exactly what it means. I'm trying to help. No.
You hate being my brother. That's not what I said, but you thought about it. Alex, you did.
Alex, wait. Don't. That's not what I meant.
Alex, Miss Carter said you were drawing in class again.
I finished the worksheet.
That is not the point.
Then what is the point?
The point is this keeps happening.
I did the work.
Doing the work is not the same as staying focused. I cannot keep getting emails from school while I'm at work.
So what, finishing it doesn't matter?
No, I am trying to handle everything, Alex. I need you to meet me halfway.
You mean like Ryan?
Alex, don't twist my words.
No, you always start with Ryan.
I am not asking you to be your brother.
You don't have to ask. You already compare us.
Alex, just calm down.
Of course you'd say that.
Because shouting never fixes anything.
And being perfect does?
Boy,
I'm not perfect.
Tell her that.
That's not fair.
No? Then why does it always feel like you're the example and I'm the
Alex,
warning?
I am not asking you to be Ryan.
No! You're just disappointed that I'm not.
Alex!
I'll go talk to him.
Of course.
Alex,
Go away.
just listen for a second.
I'm done listening. Look at that.
Look at what?
Us.
Alex,
No, just look. Even in the mirror, I look like your mistake.
you're not a mistake.
Then why does it always feel like one?
Because you're upset.
No, because I know what I am in this house. Alex, I never said you were a mistake. You never had to. That's not fair. Neither is hearing your name every time I mess up. I'm not trying to be better than you. You don't have to try. You think your life is so hard because Mom trusts you?
You think my life is easy because Mom needs me?
At least she needs you for something good.
You have no idea what that feels like.
I wish you had to live one day as me. Just one day. Then you'd know what it feels like when everyone expects you to fail.
And I wish you had to live one day as me, then maybe you'd stop thinking being trusted means being free.
Look at that. Look at what? It finally looks how it feels. That's not my hand. No. No way. I'm taller. Why am I taller? Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Alex, why am I in your bed? No. No, this is not happening. That's Ryan. That's Ryan's face. I'm you. No, I'm not. I'm Alex. And you're me. This is real. I know. You're in my body, and you're in mine.
Boys, hurry up.
She's here. Don't open it too much.
I can hear you.
Mom, something is wrong.
Alex, I am not in the mood for another excuse.
No, I mean really wrong.
Every morning something is really wrong.
Please listen.
I listened yesterday. I listened last week.
You're not listening now.
Breakfast, now.
No, seriously, we switched.
Ryan, please don't encourage this.
I'm not Ryan.
I do not have time for this.
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Breakfast, now. I have an early shift.
But Mom,
Not another word.
Of course.
she didn't even listen.
Welcome to being me.
That was fast.
Yeah, she's had practice.
This bag is going to explode. Don't touch the sketchbook. Which one is the math notebook? That is a dangerous question. Great. I hate this already. This is a nightmare. For you, it started today. For me, maybe not.
Morning, Ryan. Hey, Ryan. Morning.
You're just in time.
Ryan, did you finish the group summary?
I think so, yeah. Probably.
Good. I knew you would.
Right. Good.
Ryan, can you check my answer later?
Did you bring the project notes?
Can you explain the history chapter before class?
Yeah, maybe. I mean, sure. You sound half asleep today. Yeah, something like that.
Ryan, can you lead the warm-up discussion?
Right now?
Yes.
So, I guess the chapter is about history. I mean, the main idea is...
Is he okay?
This isn't like Ryan. Can you help me study later?
Can I borrow your notes?
You said you'd fix our group outline.
Maybe. I mean, I'm trying. That means yes. You're still tutoring your brother after school, right?
And can you look over my answers too? Did you bring the outline with you?
Wait, one at a time. You're really off today. Yeah, I noticed.
What even is all this? History test, project, groceries, remind Alex, check backpack. It's everything. This isn't just school. He's carrying everyone. No wonder he's tired.
Alex,
Yes?
homework.
Right, I have it.
Here we go.
I think it's here.
Of course.
I didn't say I lost it.
But you usually do.
It's messy, but it's not empty. Alex, please hurry. I am. He always says that. Here, it's complete.
Well, that is a start. Who can explain the next step? Alex?
Yes? The answer works because the first part changes the whole pattern. If you start there, the rest of it makes sense.
That is correct.
He probably guessed. So this is what it feels like. What is this? Alex's drawings. He drew us. I never saw this. He was trying to say it.
Still drawing sad little comics?
Give it back!
Relax, Alex.
It's not like it's homework.
Maybe that's why it matters.
What?
Give it back, now. Mom?
Please tell me Miss Carter did not email again.
No.
That's good. Try to keep it that way tomorrow, okay?
Okay. When Ryan does well, everyone is proud. When Alex does well, they're just surprised. This is weird.
Yeah,
Not angry weird.
I know.
Your planner is insane. That's one word for it. History test, group project, help mom, remind me, check my backpack. How do you do this every day? I don't know, I just keep doing it. Why didn't you tell anyone? Tell them what? That they were treating you like this. It wasn't a big deal. What was I supposed to say? Could have told me. Or mom. Mom already thought I was the problem. What if we don't switch back? Then we help each other do it better. And if we do switch back? Same plan. I don't want to be your shadow. You're not. And I don't want to be the only one who has to be strong. You're not. My hands. My hands! Ryan! I'm short again.
You were always short.
Say that again.
You were always short.
Don't start.
You started it.
I ended it.
That's not how throwing a pillow works.
Alex? What are you doing?
I just washing them. You looked pretty tired last night.
Hey, look at question 6 again. You missed a carry.
Ugh, you're grading me before breakfast?
Nah, just saving you from Mrs. Carter's red pen. Move over, let's fix it.
So we're just normal again? I don't think we were ever normal. Fair. But we're better. Yeah.
So, based on the reading, who can explain the final stage of the cycle? Alex? Go ahead.
It's... it happens when the vapor condenses back into liquid.
Exactly. Spot on, Alex.
Ryan, can you check this now?
Later, yeah.
Not now?
Not right this second. I need to finish mine first.
Okay.
Thanks.
How bad?
Medium bad.
That sounds survivable.
It was.
Good.
Don't make it emotional.
You stole my line.
A brother is not someone you are measured against. A brother is someone who stands beside you.